Okay, we got Krabby Patties, Cheetos, Hershey's, Kit Kats, Reese's Pieces, and okay,
So far I can have all
the
that.
first DVD we're gonna unbox is Season 4, Volume 2. Includes 20 episodes plus SpongeBob shorts, karaoke, music videos, and more. The front, the side, the back, other side, the top, and the bottom.
You've covered the full surface area.
Now we're gonna open it. That's great math.
This other one will be here this week. We keep them out.
Let me just.
Here, let me open it and you go
And
and
you
get
already
some.
have it.
Here's the episode list if you want to know.
He's gonna sell on the chair.
Yep, this is an example of one of the old season sets.
Maybe I
You can-
chose to open it.
As you can see right here.
Open your card.
Yeah,
Open.
your card.
Let's
That's
read. Let's read the card while we wait.
Now be careful because there's a gift card in there.
Yep. Hello. Birthday till you can't birthday anymore. Happy birthday, I love you, Sonia. With a Amazon gift card.
Wow. What do you tell Sonia?
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I'm trying my best. Okay. Now that the slip cover is off, here's the real back. And no note from Patchy the Pirate. Maybe it's in the box set. It has the gummy. Let me just. It's kind of hard to do it. So here's disc 1, the front, side, and the back. You can pause to see the episodes on the list. We're gonna open it. Here's the DVD. Here's what the inside art looks like. And it. Now close the disc.
Okay.
Here's disc 2. Front, side, and the back. Here's the episodes if you want to know. And we're gonna open it. Disc 1 has Patrick and disc 1 has SpongeBob and disc 2 has Patrick. Here's some art if you want to see. Oh, it's the note from Patchy. It says, "Hey, it be me again, Patchy the Pirate, president of the SpongeBob fan club. I've been keeping my eye out for this one, and now it is here. The second volume of episodes from season 4, featuring me favorite portrait prophet era SpongeBob Squarepants. It does the poor old scally hearts good to laugh out loud at the hard work the surfing crew has been hard at work on. And now you can see for yourself what really makes me timber shiver. Since the booty be safe in your hands, I guess I'll sign off with a warning. Before you give someone a piece of your mind, exceeding upon make sure you get on enough to spare. Or better yet, remember an apple a day keeps the scurvy away. Patchy the Pirate, President, SpongeBob SquarePants Fan Club, and Canto CA. And it gives us some SpongeBob books as advertisements.
All right.
Well, thanks, Sonia.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
That's the end of the video.